Hey guys, welcome. So I vlogged on my camera and I can't get the footage off. I have no idea what I did wrong or how to even download. I don't know. I've been trying for like an hour now. But I went to Walmart today. I vlogged over there that I lost my wallet, and thank God, like some good Samaritan turned it in, so thank God. Yeah, and then I drove here to my salon, and at Walmart I bought a small vacuum, and I even showed you guys like me vacuuming my area. Yeah, so thank you to whoever that was. And then I got here, like I said, and I started vacuuming. I have the footage on my phone, so that sucks. But I bought a small vacuum because we recently so we just painted in here. Not we, my husband. He's gonna get mad if he sees this and he's not included, but he did a good job. He painted everything black and white. It's an older building, so we kind of do what we can to fix it up. And I put in a black rug here, like this is my nail area. And then over here in this room, it is my lash room. And so I put in a white rug. So the other day I got it dirty and I picked up this vacuum from Walmart. It was like 20 bucks, a little Bissell. So I vacuumed the rug. I have a client here soon, but this is it and it gets the job done. So yeah. So I have a client really soon. I'm gonna be doing a facial and then I have a lash fill to do. But yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys later, maybe at the gym. I'm not too sure where I'm going with this vlog. I really wanted to film today and I didn't get a chance to, so that's why I kind of just want to put something up. Bye. But yeah, since I'm not sure if I'm going to end up finishing the vlog or what, I'm going to show you around. This is the beauty bar and it's just really small. I think it's a small salon. This is a girl that does, I don't know if they want their names out here, but we have Lacey up in the front. As I say that, I go ahead and say their name. But this is Lacey's area when you walk in. We have these couches that we're soon going to be replacing with some regular chairs. And it's pretty much black and white in here. We have one hair girl, Cassie, Ida. She has her petty station. Her nails set up here, really cute. And then if you walk back here, this is my nail area. And then I have like a little seating area, my lash room. This music, hopefully it doesn't get copyright written, or what is it? I'm about to do a facial, so I have that ready. Then I have a room here with a girl named Shandy. She will be leaving soon. This is a new girl, Boss Ball Aesthetics, and I cannot wait to have her. I don't know, it's gonna be really good. She does facials and everything. And then we have a bathroom. I think I did a tour before, so I'm honestly just trying to make this video a little bit longer so that it's not like 3 minutes long. But it's gonna be so relaxing in here. I let them put on like this robe if they want a neck massage and then a hairnet, and they lay here. I have my towel warmer, all my stuff set up here, hot water, my Velma I, a bowl with these sponges that expand, and yeah. Just seeing what they have new at Walmart. New. This is new. I wonder if it's good. Like this stuff too. That's pretty. That would be nice for the class. NYX is like cheaper, like this one's chosen one. Born to Glow. Ooh, that looks kind of pretty. And then they also have, which one's this one? Stand Your Ground. Booster Drops. Ooh, that's an eye cream. I wonder if these are good. Matte for matte. Super pigmented. That looks really pretty. This one looks really cool. What is this? They have so much oil control. They have this one too. That one looks really pretty. Somebody swatched it, you sickos. What? Look at, they have these palettes too. Mystic petals. That looks cool. Looks pretty. Yeah, look at, they have the little mini, so you don't have to buy the big one. That's cool. Almay. Never really been interested in this brand, Neutrogena or Almay. This one. They're really good. Yeah, like I think I had this one, but they're, oh, I heard of this one. Like they're like cream blushes. They have toffee, mocha, dew floss. I bet these would be good for. Oh, it's a bronzer. I should try one eventually. That's it. They didn't have that many new things, so I think we're gonna go home. Endless Pearl. This is my favorite. That's pretty. Like that. It's a highlight in a corner. So we live in a little town, and there's nothing to do right now. But it's 7 o'clock, and we're bored, and so we came to Walmart and just looking around. I used to buy these online for my makeup clients. But they have them here now. They're like pre-moistened olive oil swabs. Nice. Cool. Oh, these are good. What the hell is this? Cute. That's really pretty, huh?
That's cute.
They're like unicorn.
How much is that?
Try it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need one anyway.
The other ones you have like, ooh.
Japanese. That looks really cool, but looks like a beauty blender.